Hello again, it's Noob, and well, I've had this Everlock in my collection for some time. It's a thumb turn, and I'm not a big fan of them, but one of the reasons I just never got around to picking it was you just look at that really tight keyway. It's an EVVA, you know that they're going to be made really well, nice tight tolerances. Luckily it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin version, so we have that going for it. But I think it's about time we had a go at picking and well, hopefully gutting this. Yeah, let's give it a go. I'll grab a vice and we'll get going. So there we are in the vice. Let's just check that everything's sort of free moving. Yep, should be fine. Nothing's interfering with the lock. The thumb turn at the back sort of works, but I don't know why the key's not turning the cam at the back. Maybe there's something. Well, we'll gut it and we'll figure out why. Maybe that's why it was second hand, right? Okay, so tension, tension, tension. I think we'll go with I think we can go with top of the keyway tension on this one, like that, with a bit of a bent wiper blade like this. So yeah, we're going to give that a go. And well, I've got a Southall Max in 07B in 23 thousandths, which I'm quite partial to. So let's have a go and see what we're doing. So it's pin 1 there. No, that's 2 there. That's 1. 1 must be, I'm going to say, a standard pin. A very tight little keyway. 25 thousandths an inch picks just do not work well with this. I'm trying to go down and just find the pins, sort of wriggle under them a little bit. That's pin 3 there. 4. Really nice counter rotation on these. Let's go back to the front. Good. So lots of spools in here. Pin 5, I think. Don't know if I can get on it enough to set that pin. Okay, I've got a slightly deeper Sparrows short hook in 20 thousandths, and yeah, just needed a little push for pin 5. Let's have a look at pin 5. Is it high? Yes, it's a little bit higher at the back, so I had to just get underneath pin 4 there to set it. But that wasn't too bad at all, actually. I mean, very tight keyway, very tight little keyway, but other than that, not awful. So gutting it, turn it like that. I might have to use a front pinning shoe on this to gut this one. Hopefully this will fit in that tight keyway, otherwise I've got no idea how we're going to gut it. I think that should work. Oh, of course, circlips. That was a bit silly of me, wasn't it? Oh, wrong one, of course. Oh wow, what's wrong with me today? Okay, almost there. I'm trying to get the tool behind the cam. There we go. Got it. Cool little circlip there. Right. Looks like I gutted a padlock recently. Okay, let's get. Oh yeah. Let's slide this out now. Oh, keep that in. Slide that out. There we go. Oh wow, look how long that is. That's crazy. There's some weird mechanism going on at the back there as well, which might explain why it does or doesn't turn the cam. But that's a very long core, isn't it? Look at that. Okay, I mean, why did they put 6 pins in this? There's plenty of room in that lock. No idea. Steel, nice, all steel key pins on this. Very cool. Good anti-drill measure. No serrations, just nice steel key pins and a very long core with like some pins and stuff that go in it and do stuff. I don't know what the stuff is that they do. But one seems to go down there and the other one down here. So yeah, I'll have to figure that out when I piece it back together, what they do and how they work. That one's sprung and that one isn't. Who knows? Who knows what that's about? There's another sort of pin thing in there as well. Wow, it's full of stuff. Don't know what it does, but it's full of it. Okay, let's pop this on or in. There we go. Slide that out. And let's go this way round and start with pin number 1, work our way back this time. Where are my tweezers? There we go. Oh, no, not a great start. Wow, that's a long, that's the spring bit for the so standard. Where are all the spools? There must be the rest. Oh, just the rest must be spools. Oh wow, look at those spools. Those are fantastic. No wonder I had such good counter rotation. I'll show you those in a minute. And last one there. Yeah, that is fantastic. Look at these. Now those are how you do spools. Look at that. They're really long and really nice and deep. So 2 standard drivers at the front, both steel again, but just look at how long and deep these spool pins are. No wonder it gave such a wonderful counter rotation. Absolutely beautiful. So there you go. That was an EVVA 5-pin Euro cylinder. Very well made lock, very well made, with a superbly tight keyway. Just look at that keyway there. Really, really slim and tight. You can't get your 25,000 inch tools in there. The bitting, I don't know if I showed you before, is reasonable, not too bad. But yeah, I think it's just the tolerances in this lock and the small keyway that really sets it apart. Great little lock. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching that, and I'll see you all next time.